when you go back to this graph, this is the number of hours of sunlight. So if you had a solar panel, and it was a 1 kilowatt solar panel, let's say usually they're 250, or usually they are at 250 watts. So you took it to Houghton, it would produce about 3.8 kilowatt hours of energy. If you took the same solar panel to California, it would produce a lot more energy simply because there's a lot more sunlight. It's a simple way of doing math. So it turns out that how much sunlight you get is probably not as important as how high your electric rates are. Right? So you look at this table here. If you had an average home consumes about 6,000 kilowatt hours of energy in a year, you would need, in Houghton, Michigan, a lot more solar panels to produce the same amount of energy. And it will cost you a lot more. But since our electric rates are so high, every year you save a lot more compared to some of the sunniest places in the country. Your payback period on your investment is faster than anywhere else in the country, anywhere else in the contiguous United States. You save a lot more over warranty period. By the way, solar panels are warranted to last 25 years. And you save more over your initial investment, even as a percentage of how much you invested initially. So Houghton, turns out, the Keweenaw, is actually one of the best places in the country to put up solar panels, simply because our rates are so high. Now, when I first put this table together, there was a little group that wanted a green solar tour. So we had back then, a year ago, just 2 places in the city, in this town, where we had solar panels. So I took them there and I showed them this table. Right? And word got out. Everyone wanted to know about solar panels. I tell the story about this one weekend. I'm at Econo Foods trying to buy a tub of ice cream so I could watch Gilmore Girls on Netflix. And then this old gentleman pulls me aside and is like, "You're the guy who's selling solar panels." I said, "No, I'm just here to try to save people money. Okay, that's all I'm trying to do." And so as people started learning more and more, we had about 30 kilowatts of solar in 2013. And last summer we tripled that in Houghton County. We went from 30 to about 90 kilowatts of solar.